You guys, look. I have two crows sitting together. What news do you bring? Two of them. Birds in pairs. This is symbolic of divine counterparts and divine unions, you guys. I've been seeing the birds in pairs non-stop. But to have two crows, which are very magical, they obviously follow very magical people. They are the bringer of new magical events taking place in your lives. So they're sitting here letting me know that, first of all, there's magical things happening in my own life, which I already know that. You know, and then obviously there's magical things that I don't know, because even though I'm a seer and an oracle, Spirit wants you to be surprised in your own life a lot of the times. Okay, so they block me from certain things, but not everything. Ah, see? Ishikariyama. Beautiful. They are third eye, psychic ability, and magic. High priestess, high priest, twin flame, past life soulmates. This is past life energy right here. This is a